One of the things that we pride ourselves on is developing students who are ready to go on their field work or go into their first job as an occupational therapist and can treat day one. That means everything to us.
Our goal is for people to go, oh, St. Augustine's, yes, let me take that student. We want them to be excited about our students. Every class that I teach is hands-on. I've never seen another university. You can check out walkers and wheelchairs and mat tables, bones, you name it, from the library. That's not a thing that happens. And this is also the only university I've ever had that had true high-fidelity simulation that's in-house.
We really love the simulations that are real life. So when they see a patient in the clinic, it's nothing new to them.
The students keep telling me how eye-opening it is to be like, wow, this is real life. And they go out on their fieldwork experiences to be like, oh my gosh, that reminds me of that simulation. Having the resources to be able to create these situations so students are more prepared going out on field work. You don't find that other places.
They are ready to impact the world, and they can treat any patient that they come across.